And what happens? Big expenses of doctors and doctor charges nowadays. No limit money. You know, when you go to doctor, at least you have 5 rupees in your pocket for a checkup. And what happens? When we go there, if there is some wrong medicine given to us, we fall into a lot of disease. And secondly, we do not have a health checkup once in a year. Anybody does health checkup once in a year? Your body checkup, your health checkup? Nobody does. So that is the what is. See, outside what is happening in your body, we come to know. When you have fever, because it's outside, it is not internal. And what happens? We go to doctor. We got fever, we got cough, we got sneezing, we got headache, body pain. We go to doctor. That is what. But inside part, inside what is happening in your body, that nobody knows. Inside what is happening, you know. Tomorrow what will happen to you tomorrow? Nobody knows. Unless you take a health checkup, yearly health checkup, once in a year, 365 days you get, one day give for your body. Are we giving? No, we are not giving. Why? Who got time? We have no time for our body. This is what it is. This is the best part today you are learning, and you will be surprised to know you are eating chemicals every day. Okay? So today we will start with this. How you are eating chemicals every day. These are types of cancer. Okay. And this is the body parts. Now this toothpaste. Dr. Dean Perk, who is a 34 years research in Cancer Institute. See, we are not giving you the name of the toothpaste. We will only say the toothpaste. The brand is yours because you all use which toothpaste we do not know. Whatever you are using, you are using Colgate, Palmolive, whatever it is. Okay. Now this toothpaste, I told you, so the answer is raise your hand. Don't murmur about yourself. Do not talk about yourself. It's a wrong. It's the wrong manner if you are talking among yourself. Because if you are a learned person, always raise your hand if you have any question to your answer. I will get your answer if you have any question. Okay. Now this toothpaste is mentioned. This fluoride. If you use this toothpaste, you may get cancer, mouth cancer. Now, why it is mentioned mouth cancer and why this toothpaste is harmful for our body? The special reason is the chemical which are used, the word fluoride. This fluoride, the chemical, are used mostly to kill rats. चूहों मारने के लिए यूज किया जाता है और ये केमिकल we use in our toothpaste. Sometimes children eat also the toothpaste. And hurry, you have to come to school early in the morning, you have to rush. Some of the children eat also. And what happens? Stomach pain, vomiting, all this comes because of this chemical. Are these made of chemical? Toothpaste? Yes, sir. Right? So we are eating chemical. What to do with this chemical? That we'll talk later on. The second part. The first part is this. By toothpaste, which are chemical based, you may get mouth cancer. Okay. Now, change or not, that is your turn. We'll talk to you later on. Now, this sweet things which we have the habit of eating. Okay, children, please. Just 2 minutes. Listen carefully. When you are just outside, when you go outside. Later. When you go outside and the group children are together, you feel eating this sweet thing, or sometimes after eating food, we like to eat this. So there are children who have a habit of eating this. When the colon continues, when the elderly when you become big, what happens? You like to have something in your mouth. So what do you do? Go for pan. Your friends are eating pans. Some are eating gutta, some are eating cigarettes, smoking cigarettes. So what happens? You got a habit of this. So children those who are having a habit of this, then please stop. You can have it once in a while, okay, but not always. What happens? When this habit grows up with you, it takes you to the bigger things, which is the gutta, pan, any non-food which is not good for our body. So we eat all these things. So children, if you have the habit, please stop it. Okay. Next. Oh, we all love this food, right? Especially girls love all very much. They will not eat tiffin in the house, but eat this lovely food which is the Kurkure chip layers. Now why this food is chemical based? You might be knowing or might be reading the packet when you see the packet cover. It is manufactured 6 months, 3 months, 1 year. Some expiry packet also is there. And what happens? When you open the packet, you will always see the food item is always fresh. Why it is fresh? Because chemical is there inside. That is the food preservative chemical. Okay. This thing prepared 1 year before, 6 months before as per the company. But food what we prepare in the house can be keep for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. So this food remains for 1 year and all it becomes chemical, and this chemical we eat every day and we go into stomach cancer. This is another harmful food we are eating every day. Are we eating every day? Yes, we are eating every day. Today there is children say no. But there are some children what a habit. If nothing is there between for recess, let's have Kurkure chips. Okay. So please, you can have it not often. Often you can have it, not always. Because there are children from morning till night. Kurkure chips, Kurkure chips, Kurkure chips, Kurkure chips. Please take precaution of this. What is it? Next step, per se. It is a very harmful chemical in our body. It goes every day and we fall into a stomach cancer. Darkness something. Don't say any wrong words, please. Children. Don't say. Don't mama in between. Don't say between. I don't know. If you want any question is there in your mind, just raise your hand. Don't talk in the middle. So I will not able to give you the right answer. You will miss a lot of things from me then. So this soft drink, you might be knowing 5 years, 10 years back it was bad. Okay, remember anything about that? It was bad. Cola was bad. Pepsi was bad. 10 years back. It was used to clean. Yes, toilet. This soft drink was used to clean toilet. How? The spirit of this was so strong. Sometimes they were putting. And this spirit was used to clean toilet, and we found out that the toilet was clean. What a surprising that we are drinking toilet water, toilet soft drink. Now just saying so it was banned. See, the government knows everything. But what happens? Government gets the revenue on these big companies, and we children, what happens? Please, silence. Let me say something. Don't talk in between because you don't understand what I'm saying then later on. Then you will ask me questions so many times. So please be silent. Later on you can talk as much as you want. Okay. Now this soft drink is very, very harmful for your body. You may get body cancer because these are made of color chemical. Again, it is a color chemical. The soft drink which I am going to give you the name, Cola, Thumbs Up. Please do not toss in the between. I told you so many times. If you are an illiterate student, you should not do that way. When teachers are saying you are talking in the middle, teacher will give you 2 slaps. Okay. The name I am going to give you. Cola, Pepsi, Thumbs Up, Mirinda, Big Cola is come out now. 1 रुपये Pepsi and बर्फ का cola. These are the things which are very harmful for your body, and for especially for your stomach. It is very dangerous. Whatever body cells you have, the cells in our body destroy Okay, to rebirth, we require lot of vitamins, proteins, calcium. But what happens when we eat this thing and drink this thing, we lose lot of calcium and lot of cells are destroyed. So children, please careful with this food. Don't make it a habit. Once in a while when the function is there, okay, but not every day. Okay? Oh, lovely food. आमची मुंबईची वडापाव. Okay. Now we always see. Okay. Silence, please. Yeah, let me say something. Okay, boys. Now we have seen. We what happens? The parents do not time for us children to get connected. So we take money from parents. And daily expense parents gives us. And what happens when you feel hungry? We see a lot of people standing there and eating vada, samosa, so we'll also eat some tasty food. See, there are things okay, sometimes okay, but you will see this food item, the oil of the food items, you will see the oil is always black. Why it is black? Anybody knows? Just raise your hand if you know the answer.
Because they are using the same oil again and again.
Okay, correct answer. This oil, they are putting that food continuously 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. And what happened? The color of the oil changed into black. And the chemicals start producing on that oil. That black oil is a chemical. And this black oil will go to the food, and that same food we eat and we go into a stomach cancer. So children, if you see on the roadside, if the oil is black, in that kadai, you see the oil is black, please do not go and eat from that stuff. If the place is dirty, unclean, please do not go and eat there. Now the rainy season, a lot of flies are sitting, but still children go and eat because it's a tasty food. I know it is a tasty food. We can prepare it in the house also. Okay? And you know these people, they use the ordinary oil. They will never use refined oil. And the potatoes, they will never use good quality ones our parents bring for us. And this thing, these people, they are only making money of it. They are not bothered of your health. These people are only want money. That's all. They are not bothered of your health. But our parents are very much concerned of our health. They know what to give you to eat and what not. But when you go outside to eat, nobody knows. Even you yourself know sometimes don't know what to eat. You will see some good thing outside. The color is good. You go and eat. And what happens? Stomach pain, food poisoning goes on. So children, whenever the color of the oil is black, please avoid this food. Okay? You go to a place good. Now this is very good place and come where you can go to food. If you see this oil is color of black, please do not go and eat. Okay? Next. Now whatever, this is the normal villa, the stomach. Okay? Whatever we eat food, it absorbs all the vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, whatever the food you have eaten, and the rest it throw it out. It goes in the blood. It goes in the blood. We have two bloods, WBC and RBC, white blood cells and red blood cells. Okay. WBC fight against all the disease which we have in our body and it makes us healthy always. But that white blood cells require all the vitamins, all the proteins to fight against germs. But what happens? We eat all chemicals and this white blood cells, WBC, do not get strength to fight the germs. And then what happens? We fall into sickness, vomiting, food poisoning. All this comes because of the WBC. So we have to have daily your vitamins, protein, calcium, because they are grown up now, children. Elder people, okay, no problem, but for yours, it is very compulsory. Because without this calcium, proteins, you cannot survive. You will fall into a lot of sicknesses. Because you are eating chemicals nowadays. And you are not listening to parents also. We know all very well. Even my child also, I know that my child also does not listen to me or sometimes. We know the children are stubborn.